Namaskar. I am happy to be here for this workshop on strategic and policy judicial functions for the officers of property department. As you know that I have just recently joined here, 1 year completed. When I came here, I have seen that the institute has to be changed because I have seen the world. Because I have seen the world. I worked at the international, not only India. I worked across the country and across the world. Being a cooperator, I am standing here. Being a member, I am standing here. Being a board of director, I am standing here. I am ready to render services to the department as a servant. You may be knowing that the judiciaries are lost when Caesar was buried. Two rollers, Antony and Brutus. You two Brutus one concept is that Antony is there. Antony told the last servant, I have not come to praise the Caesar, but I have to come to bury the Caesar. Automatically the people accepted it, yes. Then he started to tell the truth. Why Caesar was killed? Why Caesar was accepted to be killed like this. Second thing is, let me tell one thing, property legislation. Property legislation, it is not a one-day event, it is age one. 1895, 1900, 1895, Sir Dickinson report. Then Common Commission report in 1900. Then 1904 means the first Property Societies Act. Then 1912 Act. That is mentioned 1904 Act was not favorable to the farmers. 1912 Act existed. Come to the 1919 Act. 1919 as a landmark for the property movement in India. Indian property movement is not a spontaneous movement. It is a sponsored by the British government. That is why still 1919 to till date we are depending on the government. State aid. Three aspects of state aid is there: administrative, finance, then legal. Administrative support, financial support, and legal support. These three things are continuing since 1919 to 97th Constitutional Amendment. 2012, 97th Constitutional. Every citizen has a right to form a property society. I had a discussion with the Honorable our Secretary, Registrar, and the Principal Secretary. He has accepted to go back for this workshop. Then, under the able guidance of Madam and Additional Registrar, Srinivas Garu, I have personally discussed with all the advocates at night. You ask me, Sir was so sick. You can't imagine. 1 o'clock he is having another court. I have requested, Sir, please come and just interact with the officer, this was and competent officers. So he has come over here. Really, I salute here. Please welcome to our organization to interact with the people. Development people. They make me a scenario will be changed. I am taking risk for the development of the organization, for not development of the Ganesan. Madam, I am not taking any credit personally. I am getting bread and butter from this institute, Government of India. Now, after 2021, sir, Ministry of Cooperation has emerged today. From the day onwards, the Ministry of Cooperation, Amit Shah ji, is taking keen interest to promote the farmers. That is why 54 major initiatives taken by the Government of India, of which 40 initiatives are from Property Department. 40 initiatives. Check it out. So that is why we are the ambassador for the Ministry of Cooperation. If anything goes with for the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Ganesan is responsible for it. Am I correct or not? Am I correct? My institute is now Premier Management Institute, Property Management Institute. Within this field also, once again welcome you, sir, for this inaugural session. Please come and take the responsibility of this mission, guys.